Alright everybody, welcome back. Just going to wrap this up here. It should only take a few minutes, so we'll continue on with the LCM. Find the least common multiple of the following terms. So between 3 and 10, okay, I am back to my calculator. I can hit math. I can go to the right one, to 8, 3, 10. So I know my number is 30. We're still looking for a high, so we're talking about LCM here. X squared and nothing, the higher one would be x squared. So we're all set. Okay. 16 and 32. I can pull up my LCM again. 16, 32. Close it. 32. And then between x squared and x, the higher one is x squared. Between y and nothing, the higher one is y. So we're good. Okay. Finally, losing light here. There we go. 18 and 24. There we go. 18 and 24. My LCM is 72. Between m squared and m to the fifth, the higher one is m to the fifth. Between n to the third, n squared. N to the third is the higher one. Okay. Finally, word problems. Everybody's favorite, I know, right? A math teacher and science teacher combine their first period classes for a group activity. The math class has 24 students and the science class has 16 students. The students need to divide themselves into groups of the same size. Each group must have the same number of math students. Find the greatest number of groups possible. How many students from each class are in each group? Because we see the word greatest number of groups possible, greatest common factor, we're going to look at taking GCD of 24 and 16. Okay, so the first thing we're doing is the GCD 24, 16. That gives us 8. Okay, so that means we can have 8 groups possible. Alright, that's an 8 right there. Now, then it says how many students from each group are in each class. How many students from each class are in each group? Well, for math class, we could take 24 and divide it by 8 and get 3. Okay. For my science class, I could take 16 divided by 8 and get 2. All right. So I'm sending 3 math kids per group. I'm sending 2 science students per group. Alright, so there we go. There's 8 total groups, that means there's 5 per group. 5 times 8 is 40, and if I add together 24 and 16, you'll find out we have 40 total students. What are we looking for here? Okay, just a quick heads up. That's a tougher problem. You can probably play around with it too. I used a calculator. If it helps, draw out pictures. You're also looking for keywords. Greatest number of groups, greatest GCF, okay? Stuff like that. Alright, so my last word problem. Mr. Drake bought muffins and drinks for a breakfast meeting. The muffins were sold in packages of 12 and the drinks were sold in packages of 18. What's the smallest number of packages of each item that Mr. Drake would have bought and still have the same number of muffins and drinks? So smallest, least common multiple, like we're trying to get higher with that. So we're looking LCM, 12 and 18. Okay, so we're going back here, math, 12, 18, 36. Alright, now let's think this through. Alright, if muffins were sold in packages of 12, I'm going to have to do 36 divided by 12, which gives me 3 packages of muffins. Okay. Then drinks are sold in packages of 18. Okay, so I'm going to do, 36 divided by 18. 2 packages of drinks. All right. So it says, what's the smallest number of packages of each item? Well, we figured that out. 3 and 2. and you're all good. Okay? So that wraps up our LCM GCF. Please remember, greatest common factor we go low, least common multiple we go high, and you guys will be in great shape. Keep up the good work, and as always, good luck. We're all counting on you.